Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by redeeming the Apple gift card into your Apple ID balance. Open the App Store, tap your profile, then redeem gift card. Once done, make sure the Apple ID region matches where Roblox is available because mismatched regions block in-app purchases. Also check your Apple balance shows the expected amount. This balance is used first for App Store purchases. Finally, download or open the Roblox app and sign into the account that will receive the Robux before making any purchase. Inside Roblox, go straight to the Robux shop and choose the exact package you want. Once selected, tap Buy. The App Store will present the payment sheet and use your Apple balance first, which is why redeeming earlier was essential. If balance is insufficient, Apple charges your default card for the remainder, so make sure that card is valid. When prompted, confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. After purchase, wait for the app to refresh. Robux usually appear instantly, but may need a short sync. Finish by verifying the Robux arrived in the Roblox account. Open your profile and confirm the balance or recent transaction. Once done, check your App Store purchase history or email receipt to confirm Apple processed the charge. If Robux did not appear, try signing out and back into Roblox, force closing the app, then restoring purchases in-app. If that fails, the key troubleshooting tip is to first check the App Store receipt and then contact Apple support about the payment, and Roblox support about delivery, providing both receipts and account info.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.